Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Life Lessons with Dad. As y'all see, we're here in the bathroom. We're going to be showing y'all how to shave your face. So my facial hair grows very fast. I have to shave every week, if not multiple times a week, just so my facial hair doesn't grow out. I like to be clean shaved. I do let it grow out a little bit longer so y'all can actually see the shave process of it. But ladies and gentlemen, I use a beard trimmer to start it off. So I have like a little Amazon beard trimmer right here that I use to start off with. I'll shave all the way around my face and stuff. That way, like when it comes to the thick parts and stuff, that my razor doesn't catch it. It also helps with razor bumps. That way I don't like get bumps on my face and stuff, or even cuts from my razor and stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, I do use this first. Here's what I use right now. I used to use Shea Moisture. It comes like in a green container. I absolutely love that one. The smell of it was amazing. I cannot find that where we're actually living right now, so I will be getting that again if we move. But right now I'm using this one, which is pretty good. It does have a good smell, but for my face, it's not the best. The Shea Moisture just moisture my face and stuff more because my hair is like gets really dry and really hard. So I don't wash my face too often for that reason, because if I do, it gets really oily because the moisture on my face and the greasiness of my face and stuff. If I wash it constantly, messes with my hair growth and stuff, and it just messes with the ingrown hairs and everything. For whatever reason, this is how my facial hair is. So for the third item, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, is the Dollar Shave Club razor. I absolutely love this brand's razors. This is the the 6 blades, especially when I let it grow out like this and stuff. It helps me when I do the beard trimmer. This gets it better. I really love the Dollar Shave Club, ladies and gentlemen. This is my favorite brand razor, and I love that you can just detach the heads and everything, and then put a new one on and stuff, and switch out from a floor blade, or switch out to a 4 blade to a 6 blade. I just love that, really and truly, ladies and gentlemen. We're here making this video. I hope y'all having a blessed day. Y'all been really showing out for this channel, comment and everything. I'm so glad that this has been a blessing to others. This is exactly what this channel is for. Like we said in the last video, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud of you. You're here for a reason. You have a purpose. You matter. You have a God that loves you unconditionally. He sent his only son, Jesus Christ, to die on the cross for you. And that is what matters, ladies and gentlemen. Just focus on God. He loves you. He hears you. He cares about you. And he is waiting for you to talk to him. Just like you want your spouse or your family members or your friends to talk to you, that's how God feels about you. He wants you to talk to him. He wants you to have that intimate relationship with him and talk to him every single day. That's why it says pray without ceasing. A prayer is a way that we speak to God himself. He wants us to have that intimate relationship with him, ladies and gentlemen. If it sounds too loud when I cut this on, I actually start shaving. I'll just make this like a very fast speed up and just play music over or something. But where I start off is like my sideburns. When I get my hair cut, it's at the top of my ear, but it's grown out, so I always line it up with the very bottom. So I'll start just going like this and going down. And just go down just the hairs, so that way I start going up with this. Same thing on this side, but the rest, I just start going up with it and everything, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, let's get started.
This world keeps telling me I'm different, like I don't belong down here. But every time my heart starts sinking, you pull me close and calm my feet. When I hit the ground in pieces, when I've got no strength to stand, you don't wait for me to fix it. You reach right down and take my hand. Fear comes closing in around me, and anxiety won't let me breathe. Just the mention of your name, Jesus, breaks the chains and sets me free. Oh Lord Jesus, you overcame the world. Sin
and gentlemen. So this right here, as y'all see, I'm not done fully with the beard trimmer, but as y'all see, it got a lot of it off. So right here, this is not from the beard trimmer. Y'all can see that it's an old little like cut and stuff. It's from my daughter when we were playing and stuff. But ladies and gentlemen, yeah, it does really good. So we'll get started with that. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, and then I'll do the mustache and everything. I just always stop with it before the mustache to make sure it gets good and clean. And there's not any other spots. Like right here, see my chin. Looks like there's a lot of hair, but there's really not. So that's exactly how I want it before I get my razor going. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get the mustache. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so there we go. Beard trimmer's done. If y'all hear any music on my channels at all, it is actually music that I produced and wrote myself. And make sure to check out the description if you want to see my Spotify playlist as well, ladies and gentlemen, because me and my wife both produce music and stuff as Christian and family-friendly music. So, yeah, if y'all ever hear any of them on our channel, that is what it's from. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so as y'all see, we got the shave butter now. We just got done with the beard trimmer. Like, this is what you want to see, ladies and gentlemen. It still looks like I got a bunch of hairs through the camera and stuff. You can feel just a little bit, but it's not rough, really. It's just like a little bit smooth, but I want it completely smooth. So I'll put my shave butter on now. Let's just start off with just a little bit like this. And I usually start off one side and just smear it in pretty good. And then I get some more on my fingers. Go to the other side. You don't want to put too much. Like this side right here is kind of too much, like more than I usually use, just because my face, like I said, gets oily. This side right here is like a perfect. I do get my chin though very, very thick, just because that's like what my hair goes the thickest. So I make sure I like get a lot of it on my chin and up under my chin. That way I don't get any razor bumps or cuts or anything. Then we put it on top of our nose. Then we put it right here, not on top of our nose. I just caught myself saying on top of my nose, up under my nose. Ladies and gentlemen, then you just touch up the spots that you need, that you see is not full, because you want it everywhere. You want to be able to see where you have a good even layer, or at least just a good thick layer everywhere. And then you'll get the razor, because that's about it right there. All right, so now we'll get our razor and we'll start shaving. But for the sake of the audio and stuff, I'm not going to have the water running the whole entire time. So we're just going to start shaving. Like I said, just like with the beard trimmer, I start right here and we go down. We just go, keep going down, keep going down. And you can hear with the razor too. I don't know if y'all can hear it yet. But when you hear that, and it starts getting a little tough to pull down, that's when I rinse. I hit it in the bottom of the sink some, and then I rinse it out and then go again. All right, so we got our razor good and clean again. So now we're going to keep going. And see, okay, so now see, I finished all right here and going down. Instead of going to the middle, I keep going to the sides. That way I can meet in the middle and try, because like I said, this is my thickest spot. So I always try to stop right here on the sides. See, it's real smooth on this side. We got this side, I'll always stop about the same. And that's when I start just edging it and going around. Because like I said, this is the thickest spot. This is my razor sometimes catches if I don't get the beard trimmer good enough. All right, so we got just the middle now. Now I go to from top to bottom. All right, so I still got some of the white spots on my face. Get some good water and stuff. Just rinse your face off a couple times. That's the best way to get it off. And that way you feel it smooth without it. When everything feels real smooth, I just go down with my hand like this. Try to see if there's any spots I missed, which I don't feel any. My mustache and everything as well, don't feel any. And see, like this right here, ladies and gentlemen, it's not no razor cuts or anything. This is a good clean shave. I just, for whatever reason, when I shave, my hair right here grows so much in these two little patches. When I shave it, it just leaves red marks where it's still already trying to grow. So there's no cut, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't burn. This is just how my face is personally. Yours might not do that, but mine does it in certain spots where my hair's the thickest. But ladies and gentlemen, that is a good clean shave right there. Like I said, some of the white stuff's on my face still and on my neck. But hey, this is what it looks like when you shave your face. Y'all saw the facial hair beforehand. So I'm going to rinse my face off one more good time, ladies and gentlemen. That way I get all the white off for sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. We completely finished shaving and stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Good, clean shave, no spots. That's just like where I have them, like a little mole and stuff. So it's not a hair spot. But ladies and gentlemen, yeah, good clean shave. My facial hair, since I have oily skin, it really itches a lot, ladies and gentlemen, and I get ingrown hairs and stuff because how oily it is and just how my facial hair grows, and it grows in patches where it's thicker and not so thick. This is what the end product you want to look like. It's a smooth face. You can feel it with your hands and it's real smooth and stuff, ladies and gentlemen. That's exactly what you want to see. With that being said, if you want to see the last video where it's the introduction video, stay tuned and click here. And if you want to see the more shorts, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the channel. Comment down below what y'all would like to see next. The next video is going to be how to tie a tie, most likely, ladies and gentlemen. But with that being said, I'm very excited for this channel. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helps y'all. And if y'all do, comment down below what age you learned how to shave, and if you're even shaving for the first time now after watching this video, comment down below. So if y'all need any advice or have any questions or even video ideas that y'all might need help with, email me with the email that is in the description of this video, ladies and gentlemen. With that being said, I hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for the love and support y'all have shown in this channel so far. We're already at 17 subscribers, and I'm just belated by this. God is moving, and I just love to see God in action, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to be a positive impact for y'all and to bless y'all and to help y'all with things that I wish I had help with when I was younger. With that being said, I hope everybody has a blessed day. Thank y'all for all the support y'all showing this channel. May the Lord Jesus Christ be y'all all and bless y'all all. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Come on.